Today, I'm going to show you how to use this Sunkist navel oranges to make two-tone orange sponge cake. Hi guys, I'm Tonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. It's been a while since I made a sponge cake recipe, and this is just the perfect recipe as the softness of the cake brings out the wonderful aroma of the oranges. And to start, we will need the zest of one orange. We are also going to need some juice from the oranges. These oranges are enriched with vitamin C. Next, we are going to make the egg yolk batter by adding all of the ingredients listed on screen, together with the zest and juice that we extracted earlier. Mix well on medium speed using a hand mixer until everything is well combined. Then, stir in your dry ingredients. Set that aside while you whip your meringue. And to do so, simply add in egg whites, sugar, and vinegar into a clean bowl. Whip on high speed using a hand mixer until firm peaks. Fold in a third of your meringue into your egg yolk batter. Then, fold both mixtures together until well combined. You want to separate a portion of the batter out to mix with some diluted cocoa powder to give that two-tone effect. Simply dollop around a 6-inch removable round cake pan that has been lined with parchment paper for easy release later on. Quickly drop the pan a few times before baking them into the oven at 140 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. Once cooled, remove the cake from the pan and serve them immediately. They look absolutely gorgeous, and I like to serve them like the other way around so you can really see the two-tone effect of the cake. Enjoy!